Hey, Zarka. I want to improve my English skills in academic writing, but I'm not sure where to start. Do you know any good institutes?
Yes, Solar. You should check out ESL Academy. They offer a variety of courses for students, professionals, and researchers.
That sounds great. What kind of courses do they offer?
ESL Academy provides the following courses. BS English Preparation helps students get ready for their BS English Studies. CSS English prepares candidates for the CSS English exam. MPHIL English Research Proposal guides M.Phil scholars in writing strong research proposals. MPHIL English Thesis Writing supports M.Phil students in structuring and completing their thesis. PhD English Research Proposal assists PhD scholars in crafting well-organized research proposals. PhD English Thesis Writing provides expert guidance for PhD dissertation writing. Spoken English course enhances fluency and confidence in speaking. PPSC English equips students for the PPSC English exam. IELTS Preparation helps candidates achieve a high band score in IELTS. NLP Workshop introduces neuro-linguistic programming (NLP) techniques for effective learning and teaching.
That's really impressive. Who is leading the ESL Academy?
The principal of ESL Academy is R.A. Gaffer. He is a highly qualified scholar with M.A. in English, M.A. in TEFL, M.Phil in English, Ph.D. English scholar.
That's amazing. How can I contact them for admission?
You can reach out to ESL Academy and for more details and enrollment, contact on our WhatsApp at 0305-6319464. Don't miss this opportunity to improve your English with expert guidance.
Thanks, Zarka. I'll message them today.
You're welcome. Wishing you success on your learning journey.